Hey up friends, welcome back to our second random drawing prompt video challenge. We haven't really thought of a name for it yet, so yeah, that's why it's called that. But what we basically do, and what we've done, is we've put a whole bunch of random ideas or things in our little magical fishbowl of ideas, and we just select one and we have to draw it. And it's a fun and interesting challenge, and you can follow along as well. So we'll pick one out and we'll tell you what it is, and we can all of us together, we can draw something together and make something amazing. This is a really great exercise. Also, if you're stuck for drawing ideas and you're like, I don't know what to draw, get a little container, or if you've got like a little, this is actually a very small fishbowl. I wonder if it had some very tiny fish in it. But you can pop lots of ideas in there, pick one out, and then just start drawing. So, would you like to do the honors?
Yes.
I wonder what it will be.
Draw Winnie the Pooh.
Draw Winnie the Pooh. Wow, there we go.
Yay.
Yay. And to make it a little bit more challenging, we are not allowed to go on the internet and Google Winnie the Pooh, so we have to draw from our memory. So, yeah. What does he look like? There we go, draw Winnie the Pooh. So let's do that. You grab your piece of paper, something to draw with, and draw with us. Let's go.
Yay!
Time's up. All right, pens down. You should be finished drawing our Winnie the Pooh character, and remember it's Winnie the Pooh from memory, so no cheating, no checking. We're interested to see what you've drawn. I'm sure that your Winnie the Pooh looks amazing. Now, if you've forgotten what Winnie the Pooh looks like, or who he is, we don't know who he is, but what he looks like, this is what he should look like. So remember this, and now let's do our big reveal. So you want to show what your Winnie the Pooh?
My Winnie the Pooh has a honey pot, and Winnie the Pooh is saying, honey, yum.
Yeah, I think it looks really cool. I like his facial expression and his eyes, and yeah, he does, Winnie the Pooh does love honey. And this is my Winnie the Pooh. Looking now at it, it does not look like Winnie the Pooh at all. I thought this would be easy, and I thought, oh, I know what Winnie the Pooh looks like. But apparently, all I know is that it's a big, round, chubby bear. It's yellow and wears a red t-shirt. But I still think it's pretty cool. I think we've made our own individual bear characters, and I'm sure yours look amazing as well. So did you have lots of fun?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's a great challenge. So again, this is wonderful for if you're stuck for ideas, you don't know what to draw, if you just want to draw something random, something fun, put a whole bunch of random ideas or characters or anything in our case, a fishbowl, pick one out, draw it, and have lots of fun. And I hope you had lots of fun watching us. Check out our channel, we're going to make some more of these, I think, and so have a look at those. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.